is harder than I like to think, but it's easy when you're by my side. No point in calling, you just have to see the fundamentals of our love tonight. Cause I've been looking at a photograph of you, and I've been thinking about all the ways you move. This isolation got me feeling like a movie, my love. And when I wake up, I feel empty, not beside you. My whole life been searching just to find you. This quality, it hasn't got the right to keep, but it's the vibe.
Hello my angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know, my name is Tania. Today I'm gonna create this bold glittery look and try some new makeup products. So if you guys want to know how I create this bold glittery look with those new makeup products, please keep watching. Well, my skin is already moisturized and now I'm using the MAC Fix Plus to prep my skin, and I'm starting with my brows first, and I'm using the Maybelline New York Fashion Brow Cream Pencil in the shade dark brown, and I'm just filling in the gaps so that my brows look thicker. And now I'm applying the foundation. This is the MAC Studio Fix foundation in the shade NC40, and I just love this foundation. It doesn't feel heavy on my face, it just feels like my second skin. And now I'm using the damp makeup sponge to make the application smoother, and now I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige, and my god guys, I'm in love with this concealer. It's really very creamy and you can blend it so easily, and I just love how it looks on my face. And I'm applying the concealer under my eyes, on my eyelids, around my mouth area, on my chin a little bit, on the bridge of my nose, and also a little bit on my forehead. And now I'm blending the concealer with a damp makeup sponge. And right now I'm using the same concealer to clean up the edges of my brows so that my brows look sharper and well defined. You guys know like how much I love doing this trick to make my brows look stand out. And now I'm blending the concealer well on that area so that my skin doesn't look cakey. And now I'm baking my face, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution banana powder, and I'm taking excess powder on my damp makeup sponge, and I'm just applying it on the concealed areas and also under my jawline so that when I do the contouring looks sharp enough. And right now I'm dusting off the excess powder on my face. And right now I'm contouring my cheekbones. So that I get a bronzy look, and obviously my face doesn't look flat and pale. And also I'm applying the contouring powder on the temples of my head and on my forehead a little bit, because you guys know that I really have a small forehead, and also on my jawline. And now I'm contouring my nose to make my nose slimmer. And right now I'm just dusting off the contouring powder and trying to blend out everything on my face. Well, I've done the base makeup and now it's time for the eyeshadow part, and today I'm gonna be using Patricia Bright Makeup Revolution palette for the first time, and this is a collaboration between Patricia Bright and Makeup Revolution, and there are total 28 shades. This is a huge eyeshadow palette and you guys can see like how beautiful this palette is. This palette is really very colorful, and today I'm gonna be trying this eyeshadow palette for the first time and telling you guys how the eyeshadow palette is. Well, now I'm applying this shade named H Elegant on my eyelids, and I'm just trying to blend it well and just creating the perfect base for my eye makeup so that when I put the colors they look bright and vivid. And now I'm taking this shade named Allspice and applying the color on my crease, and I'm just trying to blend the color well. And now I'm taking this shade named Miss Tropicana and applying the shade all over my eyelid. And now I'm taking this shade named Allspice again, and I'm just trying to intensify the color on my crease. Well, now I'm taking this shade named Yes Peaches and applying the shade on the outer corner, and now I'm just blending the color so that the color application looks smooth and there's no harsh line. And now I'm gonna be using the MAC Fix Plus to make the glitter eyeshadow more pigmented, and I'm applying the shade named Flames on my eyelids. This is really a beautiful color. This is a red glitter shade, and I'm applying the shade all over my eyelid. Well, this eye makeup look is gonna be very glittery and bold, and now I'm taking the shade named Wow and applying it to highlight my inner corners and applying it well. Well, now I'm gonna take this shade named Shimmering. I am highlighting my brow bones, and right now I'm using the kohl pencil from Plum Nature Studio and applying it on both of my upper and lower waterline. And right now I'm gonna use this shade named Allspice again from my eyeshadow palette and applying it on my lower lash line. And right now I'm blending the shade well so that it gives me a nice smoky effect. And right now I'm applying the blush from Revlon in the shade Classic Coral, and I'm applying it on the apples of my cheeks and also on my nose a little bit. And now I'm applying the highlighter from Makeup Revolution, and this is the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate Highlighter. I'm applying the highlighter on my forehead as well, and this highlighter fan brush is from PAC Cosmetics. And right now I'm applying the highlighter on the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and also I'm gonna be applying the highlighter on my chin. Well, the Patricia Bright Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette is really amazing. There are shades that are really pigmented, but there are also few shades that are not that much pigmented. But if you are a person who likes to play with colors and create bold looks, can surely give it a try. You will get total 28 shades, which is great. So yeah, I think this eyeshadow palette is really pretty good. And right now I'm highlighting my collarbones, and right now I'm using the mascara, and this is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'm applying the mascara on my lower lash line as well. And I have applied the falsies already, and these falsies are from PAC. And now I'm applying the lipstick, and this lip shade is really a beautiful nude shade, and this is from NYX. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Rome. So this is the final look.
It's harder than I like to think, but it's easy when you're by my side. No point in calling, you just have to see the fundamentals of our love tonight. Cause I've been looking at a photograph of you, and I've been thinking about all the ways you move. This isolation got me feeling like a mood in my love. Yeah, when I wake up I feel empty, not beside you. My whole life been searching just to find you. This quarantine, it hasn't got the right to. Yeah.
So if you guys enjoyed my video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And also like and share this video. I'll see you all soon guys in my next video. Bye.